agreement on at least one point. That is that our immigration laws are broken. The Democrats think they're broken because they don't stop presidents like Trump from securing our borders. The Republicans think they're broken because they don't stop presidents like Biden from opening our borders. I think the most illuminating testimony that we've had today came from the Democrats' witness who opined that the enforcement of our immigration laws was vastly better under Biden than it is under Trump. That is a difference of opinion that we periodically resolve through our elections. And from the last election, it is very clear that the American people agree with us, and they have given us the responsibility and the authority to change these laws so that they can never again be evaded and mocked by a future Democratic administration. Ms. Vaughn, I want to begin with the abuse of our asylum process, which I think is one of the biggest problems that we face. We all know the vast majority of asylum claims turn out to be bogus, but under the Biden administration, just making that claim got you immediate admittance into our country, a lot of free stuff. You were assured that your claim wouldn't be heard for many years, and once it was rejected and you were ordered by a court deported, that order wouldn't be enforced. Obviously, Remain in Mexico took a lot of the incentive out of making these false claims, and of course, one of President Trump's first orders reinstates that policy. But it seems to me we need to assure the permanence of that policy, and we also need to be clear that asylum is reserved for those who've been singled out by their own government for persecution because of their religion, race, or political views. And under international law, once you have crossed that first international border, you have now separated yourself from that government. You have the right to apply for asylum in that country that you first crossed into. You do not have the right to pass through 5 other countries because you want free stuff from Americans. And it also seems to me that if you break our laws to enter our country, you should forfeit any claim to asylum because you've already expressed your intention to disobey our laws. What do we need to do to reinstate these principles and assure that future presidents can't circumvent them?
Well, the asylum system is one of the biggest loopholes in our immigration law right now that's routinely exploited.